So this is the school's 3D printer. I have a 3D print club, so students create things that they want to make, phone case holders, Naruto, all these different anime characters. They construct it on the software, they send it to me, and I print it out on the printer for them.
We create things mainly by adding different shapes together. There are different shapes in there, and you can edit the dimensions and, just put them together and create what you need.
So this print right now is one of my students in the club, and it says it'll be ready in 4 hours. So at the end of 4 hours, you'll be able to see what's created.
I originally wanted to join just because I thought it would be pretty fun to create things and make some new friends. The 3D Print Club is definitely very welcoming to everybody. It doesn't matter if you're new or an older player, it's really fun.